Sound, microphone, and webcam. Chromebook volume can be controlled with the keyboard buttons located in the top row of your Chromebook. You can also click in the lower right hand side of the screen where the time is displayed. Clicking on it brings up the volume control and access to the settings. If you click on the tiny headset icon, you will be able to choose the output and check if the microphone is being detected by your Chromebook. The devices selected for use with your Chromebook are checked with the green mark. You can test your microphone by going to www.onlinemictest.com. When the website has finished loading, click on the play button. A pop-up will come up on the top left. Click allow. Now you can test your microphone. Microphone works when you get this wavelength. You can also test your webcam by going to Tools and choosing Webcam. You can also test your webcam on your Chromebook by going to your apps and finding the camera app. If you're having any difficulties or issues with your microphone or webcam, please contact your school Chrome Care Center or Student Help Desk at studenthelp@vvsd.org or by calling 815-372-6988. Thank you.